Today we have the Hougen Rotocut. This is a Spotweld cutter, but it also comes in individual replacements tips right from Hougen, and these are available up to 3/4 inch in diameter, and also up to 1.5 inch with a different type of arbor. Let's go have a look and see what we get here. So this one here is marketed as a Spotweld cutter. So this is actually the first product that Hougen came out with, probably a little over 50 years ago. And it's an interesting story, and you can go check it out on Hougen.com. But it was developed as the first product for General Motors by Mr. Hougen, and then ended up marketing the way that these kind of cut. So let's have a look at what we have. On the packaging, we see, if we look on the back, we've got some instructions, a little bit, and we've got some tips, and then some parts identifying and stuff. Let's have a look at what we get here. So this kit here comes with the replaceable cutter, rotocut, and then the arbor that fits into 1/2 inch or 3/8 drill chuck with 3 flat spots to make sure that it can handle the torque and the bite. And then we've got a little protective cover on the pilot. This pilot's actually spring-loaded, so there's quite a bit of tension. I can't do it with my fingers, but there's quite a bit of tension, so that if you press down, it'll provide some pressure. So the idea is that you center punch your hole, and then if you're doing actually what it specifically is made for, so removing spot welds, so you would actually cut through your first layer, you center punch, you put a little bit of pressure, and then once you get your first diameter or circumference established, you can put a little bit more down feed pressure. And then once you feel going through the first layer of material, then you can stop and you can get your slug out that way. You can replace obviously the cutters this way. You can also replace the pilots with the going in from the other side. It's important to have the washer here so that your bit doesn't get jammed up on the arbor as it's running. And the idea, again, instead of a drill bit, we know that these will run, they'll last probably 10 times a drill bit, and they'll also drill up to 3 times faster. So again, we're only cutting at the circumference, we're not cutting in the center where there's no speed, and so you get lots of speed and good life with the chips. So this is the Hougen Spotweld cutter, and also replaceable tips with an arbor, and you can get larger arbor.